I'm Pete, I'm 49 years of age, married, father of two, and in 2019 I was involved in an RTA involving a drink driver. So it's a typical work week. It was a Friday morning, same as always, up, out with the dog, back for breakfast, ready for work, and then I vividly remember shutting my porch door as I was leaving the house at 7:15 and waking up in hospital Monday morning. So yeah, on my way to the job, going through what we call the Chews, which is quite a country road, I suppose, a B road, to which another van was approaching. He lost control, hit the verge, to which he flipped his van, and then his van came head-on into me through my windscreen. To this day, no recollection. I didn't really know where I was, to be honest, or what had happened. I vividly remember sort of waking up and all the family being in the room with me. I suffered a skull fracture. I was very sort of dazed and confused. I struggled a lot with speech. I struggled a lot with balance. I struggled a lot with eating. It's hard mentally as well as physically, and it did. It really took me a long time to get over that sort of mental issue more than the physical issue. So when we first got in contact with CFG, our first meeting, it was with Emma. She dealt with my case then from start to finish. They helped with setting up, obviously, physio for me, any sort of specialist that could help my rehabilitation. Obviously at the start it's a big financial thing and a big worry, I suppose, being a father and obviously a husband and children. But that was put to rest straight away. And then obviously that helps you then concentrate more on yourself and your rehabilitation. From that very first point, even the very first meeting, it wasn't me. It was the whole group, it was the whole family. How were the kids? How was Mandy taking this?
It's important that you don't just look at the person this has happened to, because it affects everybody. It affects everybody in your family, everybody you're around, and it's so important to make sure that they're okay. You know, they are going through this very difficult time too, so to be able to be there to support them and be part of that with them along that road is absolutely crucial, and I'm really, really proud to be able to have done that with Pete. It's been great to see the progress that he's made from those early days when he was in the middle of the worst time of his life to now seeing him get back to spending time with the family. It's brilliant, and it's exactly why we do what we do, to try and get people back to doing what they want to do and enjoying life again.
I've started cycling again, very gently. I don't throw myself down mountains anymore. But it's nice just to do those little things you appreciated. I think you grow into this new person, shall I say. And I think the main thing was leaving the old Pete behind and embracing the new Pete.